Hey, what's up, Winklink holders? So this is an emergency update for all Winklink holder because my brother, what's the emergency? You know, my friend. First of all, I want to tell you the emergency. And after that, my friend, I've already get this coin. So you can say, my brother, the emergency is that to Winklink is completely in the profit. Last 7 days, you can see your 6.6%. Oh my goodness! And last 24 hours, it's completely in the profit, my brother. So I want to make this video emergency for all of you. To you, don't do any mistake this time, my friends. Holders are doing very big mistake, I will tell you, but don't do this mistake what I tell you in this video. Otherwise, my friend, you completely in the loss and coin is also face down. So my friend, I predicate this coin, I do technical analysis and also share my opinion, my brother. Absolutely, if you subscribe my channel, you never lost. I will give you guarantee, my brother. So let's get start this brand video, my brother. Winklink, one of the fastest coin this time. You can see here the price of that 0.0005 USD dollar, and you can see, my friend, this time the 24-hour volume. So 39.24 now, my friends, billion supply and available supply. You can see here 76 trillion, my friend. You can see it's a very good news, my friend. And if you can see, my friend, the details about Winklink. So exactly, my friend, you understand now, but there is no not available, my friend. So let's see, but I will, my friend, already read it now. So therefore I want to tell you the details about that, my friends. You know, especially because Winklink is collaborate, my friends, from Amazon. Absolutely, it's a really great news, my friend, for all of you. To Winklink starting collaboration, my brother. And if any coin is starting collaboration, then it's mean, my brothers, to this coin is completely in the profit. So therefore I want to tell you, my brothers, to if Winklink are starting collaborating, then exactly this coin is go in the moon now. So from last, my friend, the Winklink team last 7 days starting collaboration now. So therefore, and absolutely the main reason is that, but again the second reason is that, my friends, to after a mid of month every cryptocurrencies will wake up because, my brothers, start time investor, they starting selling, they are starting investing. So therefore the coin is moving wake up and go in the moon now. So it's mean, my brothers, to Winklink is completely in the profit. And one thing I want to tell you, my brothers, to when Winklink is fails down, then absolutely, my friend, after a short fails, they take a very huge jump now. Every cryptocurrencies, this is, my friend, the short formula, my friend, of a crypto market. To when it fails down, they take a very huge jump now. After a jump, they fails down. So therefore I want to tell my brothers to try to understand, don't see the short fails, short jump. Just in only, my friends, you need to focus. Just in only, my friends, you need to focus on trading. And my brother, you know, Winklink, one of the fastest coin and absolutely stable coin. If you want to invest for a long time, exactly, this is very good coin for all of you. So there is no alert available, my friend, and absolutely, my friend, I will update you already. So thanks for watching, Winklink holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.